guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? So if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Rachna. I'm 41 years old. I make anti-aging skincare videos. I make facial exercises. Sometimes I do share hair care routines. So if you are interested in such things, please do subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about niacinamide, and I have started this new thing or the new series on my channel where I am going to talk about the ingredients. So I have shared with you in past many skincare ingredients, products, serums, creams, so it can get confusing. So that's why, to remove all of that confusion, now I have started this new thing, which is like I will be talking about the ingredients. It will be much more easier to understand whether you should incorporate it into your skincare routine or not. You don't need everything that is being recommended or being talked about on internet or so. You need to understand, do you need that or not. So what I have planned for you is that you can do one thing, that in this video, as I am going to share with you many benefits of niacinamide and for the different skin concerns. So what you can do, take a notebook and take a pencil. You can pause the video here, and then you can write down all of the things that I mentioned, the benefits and all. See for yourself whether your skin requires any of those things, and keep ticking them up, the benefits that I talk about. And if you feel that the benefits that you have ticked are more than 50% of the ones that I recommended, then definitely that product is that skincare ingredient is for you, and then you can look for the products which has that ingredient, and that way it will become much easier for you to choose any skincare product. I hope that makes sense. So let's get started. So today's star ingredient is niacinamide, and niacinamide, or it is also known as vitamin B3, naturally found in our body. One thing that I love about niacinamide is that it is universally flattering. So no matter what type of skin you have, if you have dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, it is going to suit you. And with that, it is one of those ingredients which has least side effects. There is only one side effect that I'm going to talk about eventually. So number one, I want to talk about for the people who have acne prone skin, and I know it can be really tough for those of you who have acne prone skin, especially getting rid of acne first and then getting rid of the acne marks. So in that scenario, if you have acne prone skin or acne, the marks left after the acne has gone away, niacinamide can help you so much. So you need to tick that box just right. If you have acne prone skin, acne marks, tick it. It is good for you. Then number two benefit is for those of you who have melasma or dark spots, and this concern even I had. And so I did watch recently Dr. Ray's video on niacinamide, and there she stated that niacinamide and hydroquinone were tested, like double testing that we call, like half face niacinamide was used and half face hydroquinone was used, and it was found out that niacinamide worked effectively as much as did the hydroquinone. And hydroquinone is like the standard of getting rid of melasma and dark spots. So and with that, niacinamide not only did remove the dark spot and melasma, it helped in that, but with that, the irritation and the side effects were also very less from our normal standard hydroquinone. Then with that, obviously I have already shared with you niacinamide for open pores. That was like long back. I shared with you one video. If you have open pores concern, and many of you even do keep on commenting what to do for open pores, then niacinamide is your go-to ingredient. You need to include it in your skincare routine for sure. Then fourth benefit can be for those of you who have this damaged skin. And for damaged skin also, I made one video which I did, in which I shared with you this natural skincare routine that you can follow to get your skin back to normal, or to heal your skin. But with that, what you can do is, when you start following your normal skincare routine after you have done the all natural thing, you can include niacinamide in your skincare routine. What it does is, it helps in repairing your topmost layer, the barrier which actually protects your skin from different bacteria and other infections or inflammation. So having your good natural skin barrier is very important for healthy skin. So niacinamide can help you in that. Now next benefit is for those of you who have dry skin, and I know it might sound a little like, how can it be benefiting both the dry skin ones and the oily skin ones, one ingredient, right? That's why in the beginning I told that it's a universally flattering coloring ingredient. So dry skin, I'm not talking about the dry skin. You know, even the oily skin people may be having dry skin. The topmost layer might be dry. So to hydrate it, to prevent the water loss that happens from the topmost layer from our skin, to help in that also niacinamide can help you. So if you feel that your skin is dry and this thing, if you're having a lot of flakiness and all, then also you can definitely incorporate niacinamide in your skincare routine. So next benefit is for those of you who are looking for anti-aging benefits, because niacinamide can help in, it is a very good antioxidant. So if you put it on, it helps you, protects your skin from UVA rays, the ones which are responsible for aging. And I am planning to make a video eventually about sunscreen also, the different types and which one you should go for and all of that. So do stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel if you really don't want to miss on that. But today's that if you incorporate niacinamide in your routine, it helps in controlling the UVA damage, which actually leads to a lot of wrinkling and sagging and all of that. So talking about the side effects, what I feel is that I personally never ever felt any type of side effect. Many people say that it burns or stings. I don't think so. Even I have very sensitive skin, but I've never ever felt like it burns or stings on my skin, and it's totally fine, and it doesn't even irritate. Another thing that I love about it, that if you use any kind of exfoliators like AHA, BHA peeling solution, or if you apply a lot of this thing retinol, even with retinol and retinoids or tretinoin, it goes very nicely. It can help calming down the irritation. Then also you can incorporate niacinamide. With that, there are so many different ingredients and products out there that you can use in different ways. There are essences which are having niacinamide, and there are serums that have niacinamide, so you can incorporate it into different forms. There are creams in the market which you don't be even aware of, but they do have niacinamide. So now is the question I know you must be having in your mind, like how to use it. So that is what I'm going to share with you in my next video, which will be all about the products that I will be sharing about niacinamide. This video I just wanted you to be aware about the ingredient, how it can help you, what are the benefits, and for that you need to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, like this video, and do take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.